In this video, we are talking about how we can install an instrument driver for using LabVIEW interfacing. Here I am opening the LabVIEW software, and if we go to Help menu, we can find Instrument Drivers option. Okay, just click here. So here you can find if you can already see what are the installed instrument drivers, and if something is connected, new instrument is connected, then it will automatically scan the instrument and it will show the details. Also, there is an option to search for the instrument drivers. So for that one, you have to log into your NI account. So here I am logging to my NI account. Once you log into NI account, then you can search for your particular instrument drivers. Okay, so now I logged into NI account. So first we have to find out the particular company manufacturer. So my instrument is K3 instrument, and the model number is 2700. It's a multimeter or data acquisition system. So, and now click on search. So if it is there, and it will be pop up here. So it is very old K3, so it may not be available here. So there is another way to find out such instrument drivers. Okay, so for that you have to open any browser and search for LabVIEW drivers network. Or you can search IDNet, that is instrument driver network. So here you can type the instrument name, that is K3 2700. So that particular driver is available. See, so now we can press search. So it will be show the details of that particular driver here. So I'm clicking on 2700. So one page will open up. So it will give the details about the instrument driver, and if you want to download that particular driver, click on that green button, go to driver page. So this is the instrument driver page. From here you can download the particular instrument. So you can check for the versions. So my LabVIEW version is 2021, and I'm downloading that particular driver. So I downloaded the particular driver for K3 2700 multimeter instrument. So in download you can see this is a zipped file. So we want to extract the data. So now I am extracting, and this is the extracted driver. Okay, and now we want to copy that particular driver and we have to paste into C disk. So we have to find out the LabVIEW software. So under NI, National Instruments, we can find out the LabVIEW software. Okay, so you can see LabVIEW 2021 is installed here, and find out the instrument library, and we have to paste that driver to this instrument library. So I am pasting that driver to here. Okay, so it's already actually I copied to this particular folder. So I am removing the unwanted copy. So I already copied that particular driver, that is K3 27XX. Now you can see it is already listed here in the NI instrument driver, and you must delete all other copies of this particular driver. So I downloaded to downloads, so I am deleting all the other copies of this particular driver. Okay, otherwise when we are opening the driver in the NI instrument, that is in LabVIEW, some conflict will come and some error messages will come. Okay, so now I am opening that particular driver, that is I copied two program files. National Instruments. See, you can see in LabVIEW 2021. So it is copied to instrument library, and this is the thing. Okay, so here you can see LabVIEW library and the LabVIEW project. So here I am opening the LabVIEW project. So you can see the examples, some example programs you can see here. Okay, so you can directly run this program to use our particular instrument, that is 2700 K3 LabVIEW driver. Okay, so here you can see the public, when you open up you can see the different VA for configuring the operations. Okay, instrument operations. So all this can be used to configure your instrument and modify how you want to collect the data and all. Okay, so this is just test VI. Okay, I'm not saving, I'm just closing the window, and I'm just opening one of the example, LabVIEW project example. So I'm going to examples, and I am just measuring a single measurement. Okay, so I am opening that particular VI. So this is the VA, and you have to select your instrument. So here I connected my instrument through COM port. So you can find out how your instrument is connected. So for that you have to just open this device manager, and I connected through USB. So you can go to port. So it is the port, that is USB serial port is connected, that is COM6. Okay, so you have to mention the same port here in the visa resource name, that is COM6, and running the program. Okay, now the program is run, and it is collected the data from the instrument. Okay, I am running again. So this is the instrument data we measured using this particular VI, and this is how we can find out your instrument driver, and you can install your instrument driver to LabVIEW.